Problem 5. A vertical square prism, base 50 mm side, is completely penetrated by a horizontal square prism, base 35 mm side so that their axes are 6 mm apart. The axis of the horizontal prism is parallel to the VP, while the faces of the both prisms are equally inclined to the VP. Draw the projections of the prisms showing lines of intersection. Assume suitable lengths for the prism.
We start drawing front view. Draw a horizontal line and draw 45-degree angle, this reference line, and draw square which base is 50 mm and name ABCD. Then draw projection line. For front view and side view of vertical square prism. Height is not given, so we assume height 100 mm and draw 100 mm height of prism. Then draw projection for side view. And name A double dash to D double dash. Then draw a square 35 mm. Then we draw center line in midpoint of this vertical cylinder, horizontally center line. And then given 6 mm apart of vertical prism. Then draw 6 mm distance and then measure AO distance in compass and compass set in the center point and make arc. Then join all points. Name 1, 2, 3, 4. A projection in 1, 2, 3, 4 point. And draw horizontal prism which height is 100 mm and name 1 dash 2 4 dash, and this prism draw projection line for top view. P1 to P4 point draw projection for front view. You see and joined this line P1 dash to P2 dash, then P3 dash, then F dash, then P4 dash to E dash, then P1 dash, and this line is hidden, so we draw hidden line. Same draw another side.